Hello everyone. Welcome to today's session on cybersecurity. Today, we are diving into one of the most fundamental tools in your digital defense kit, antivirus software. Think of your computer or smartphone as your digital home. You have locks on the doors, but what if a thief finds a way to sneak in through a hidden gap? In the digital world, those thieves are called malware. Antivirus software is your 24/7 security guard. It's a specialized program designed to prevent, detect, and remove malicious software before it can do any damage. But modern antivirus does so much more than just killing viruses. Let's look at how it actually works. To keep you safe, antivirus software uses 4 primary layers of detection. First is signature-based detection. This is like a most wanted list. The software has a database of digital fingerprints, called signatures, for every known virus. If a file on your computer matches a signature in the database, the alarm goes off. Second is heuristic analysis. This is smarter. Instead of looking for an exact match, it looks for suspicious patterns. If a program's code looks like it was designed to do something harmful, even if it's a brand new virus, the antivirus will flag it. Third, we have behavioral monitoring. This watches what a program does while it's running. For example, if a simple calculator app suddenly tries to delete your system files or encrypt your photos, the antivirus steps in and kills the process immediately. Finally, there is sandbox analysis. If the software isn't sure about a file, it opens it in a sandbox, a safe, isolated virtual environment. If the file turns out to be a virus, it explodes safely inside the sandbox without ever touching your real operating system. So, what does the software actually do day to day? It starts with scanning. This happens in the background every time you open a file or through scheduled full system scans. If a threat is found, the software performs quarantining. It doesn't just delete the file immediately. It moves it to a secure jail where it can't interact with the rest of your system. This gives you a chance to review it. Modern suites also offer web protection. They block you from visiting phishing websites, fake sites designed to look like your bank or email login, to stop hackers from stealing your credentials before you even download a file. Not all antivirus software is the same. Standalone antivirus is great for basic, lightweight protection. Internet security suites are more comprehensive, adding features like a VPN, a firewall, and parental controls. And for large organizations, there is Enterprise AV, which allows a central IT team to manage the security of thousands of computers at once. You've likely heard of some major players. Microsoft Defender comes built into Windows and is excellent for most users. Norton 360 and McAfee offer massive feature sets for families. Bitdefender is known for its high-speed performance, and Malwarebytes is the industry standard for cleaning up a system that has already been infected. In a world where over 350,000 new pieces of malware are created every single day, having a robust antivirus isn't just an option, it's a necessity. It protects your privacy, your bank account, and your digital identity. Remember, no software is 100% perfect. Always keep your antivirus updated and stay cautious about what you click. I hope this gave you a clear understanding of how antivirus software keeps our digital world spinning safely. Thanks for watching, and stay secure.